8 7 6 5 आनी नहीं 4 3 चलो 2 स्टैंड बाय 5 सेकंड वार्निंग 5 सेकंड वार्निंग।
You know, there are so many people who come from all over this country, who come for a pilgrimage to find God, and they do this really long and arduous journey up in the mountains. So there are people like Pittus who help them to make their journey by carrying them on their back, or the palki walas who carry them across.
तो ये जब पिट्ठू लोग हमको ऊपर लेके जाते थे, हमेशा मैं देखती थी कि हम लोग तो थके हारे थे, पर ये पिट्ठू लोग जो वही चढ़ाई दिन में 2 या 3 बार करते ऊपर नीचे जाने की, उनमें एक एक्साइटमेंट और एक भावना थी कि थको नहीं, चलो ऊपर चलते हैं, जय भोलेनाथ।
चलो अरे बेटा,
जय शिव शंभो,
जय शिव शंभो।
जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा।
Mansoor is the absolute innocence of how we should be. To most simply put it, I think he's a really good guy.
Sushant is a great guy to work with because the moment he's on set, if you're rehearsing with a stand-in and the moment Sushant comes in, the change of energy makes the shot so good.
क्योंकि मैं ऑफ देख रहा हूँ ना और मैं अपनी लाइन ऑफ शुरू करता हूँ और फिर आई कांटेक्ट आता है ना तो वो लाइन चल नहीं सकती।
So the same shot looks so nice and lively with Sushant being there with his energy, with the way he's portraying the character. I think he's doing some fabulous job.
पकड़ लिया आपने? अब हमारी भी नजर नहीं है।
तो मंसूर का तो मुझे था कि ठीक है, ये मुस्लिम पिट्ठू है जो हिंदुओं को लेके जाता है बड़ी श्रद्धा से दर्शन कराने।
अम्मी शाम को मिलता हूँ।
मेहरबानी करके कुछ कमा के घर भी ले आना, सब यात्रियों पे लुटा के मत आ जाना।
सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था।
उन यात्रियों की श्रद्धा उनके भगवान के लिए और मंसूर की श्रद्धा इन यात्रियों की तरफ।
That is what Shiv is actually. If you have love in your heart and you have the will to serve people and you have the strength and courage to put others before yourself, I think you have Shiv in you.
ऐसे करते हैं यार।
Sara didn't have any formal training, I think, as well. She never been in front of a camera, although she comes from a film family. She didn't have any experience of being on set. But she's a very bright girl,
The starting point for me for Mukku should not be a girl. It should be a feeling. Like it should remind you of rain, बारिश. क्योंकि बारिश भी अल्टीमेटली अगर आसमानों से गिरती है तो उसमें भी कोई रंग नहीं होता, उसका भी कोई कलर नहीं होता। और जैसे कि मैंने कहा, जब बारिश नीचे गिरती है, जहाँ गिरती है वो वहाँ का रंग ले लेती है, तो उसमें कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज आती हैं, पर इनहेरेंटली वो प्योर है।
Acting is also a lot about reacting, So I think Sushant plays a big part in bringing Sara's performance to life.
Before you can get to know her, she may kind of, you may be taken aback by the sheer force of so many things that she comes with. So Mukku for me was that complicated yet simple character.
Her strongest points are that she can take criticism well and she can listen. And these are the two most important things you look for an actor. Come and you look at your mother one last time. Tell her with your eyes, just stop this. Because there's a transition that's going to happen from a character that I've developed. And the more attentive and the more receptive the actor is, the clearer the passing on is. And after the first few days, like the first week, 10 days, if it's a good actor and you're in rhythm with that actor, they take it very beautifully, you know, and they make it their own. I think Sara's done that beautifully. Kedarnath is a movie that is set against the temple, that is the backdrop. Some of the older people find it very difficult to walk the distance. So there are people like Pitthus who take them, help them to make that journey by carrying them on their back.
जय शिव शंभो
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह.
A lot of the Pitthus who carry these yatris up the mountains, many of them are Muslims, you know. To see something like that, this is what actually made me initiated the thought of making this movie, is to see that in such a pious and Hindu location or such a temple, you have Muslims who are out there who are helping Hindus make pilgrimages across. And it can't get more secular than that.
नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा.
इसमें वो टर्न करेगी और देखेगी और वो हाथ करेगी. जैसे वो हाथ करती है, आप भी उसको थोड़ा सा एक लिफ्ट देते हैं.
रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा.
In front of me I have a Kedarnath temple and it's exact replica we created. So this is the biggest achievement we had and this is the biggest piece also in this set. So it's almost the same, the dimensions, the texture, the detailing.
नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा.
A movie like this can't be made without intensive prep, you know. Because if you don't prep on a movie like this, you'll just go all over the place. You know, something that should be done in 65 days is hitting 120, 130 days and you won't even know it.
Climate over there, okay, and the weather that you are shooting in Uttarakhand, it is, you can't predict it.
Crazy night, the first night here, and it's been raining all night. Now we see the sun is about to rise, and Sushant and Sara are like drenched and feeling sick. We have a long way to go.
For an hour, there will be like sun on your head, and the next hour there will be like overcast, and next hour again sun. What's happening?
So there were many freaky days like that, and the entire geography changes, you know, and we've got so many hundreds, 200, 300 people we had on a crew up a mountainside.
Cold water, actually freezing water. We had about 15 minutes in that shot. And it's a main market at this point here, where the journey starts for this yatra. We blocked everything, we had buses, vans, everything. And we had only like half an hour to reach and half an hour to see the shot. So it's really quiet day. So that is more important. Okay, we finally got the top.
It was very important for things to be well planned, in place, and no room for slip.
सेल्फी हो गई हो तो सवारी लोगे?
The main characters are obviously Mansoor and Mukku, played by Sushant and Sara. So it's been great. I mean, these two actors have given their 100% and they've really gotten into the skin of it.